Hello and welcome to our preview of the week ahead. After last week's very interesting ECB meeting, this week's schedule does go a bit central bank crazy, with the likes of the Fed, the BOJ, the BOE, the SNB, Central Bank of Russia and Norges Bank all set to report, along with a few others as well. Of these, the most notable of which is of course the FOMC, while the Central Bank of the US are not expected to hike or cut rates this month. We will be looking out for any details from the projection, the statement or Fed Yellen's press conference. Despite the recent volatility in financial markets, it is still expected by many that the Fed will raise rates at some point this year, so really we'll be looking for any indication as to when this could be and whether the likes of April and June are still on the table. And then away from the Fed, pretty interesting week this week in the UK, as well as the Bank of England. You've also got the UK budget. The Bank of England meeting may be somewhat of a non-event, given that last month saw the votes split move to a 9-0 in favour of keeping rates on hold, and we have seen quite a bit of rhetoric over the last month out of the Bank of England. So instead, the budget may take more of a focus, and as well on a macro scale, this could be of particular focus for the likes of banking and pension names. And then away from the budget as well, got a host of data this week. Out of the UK, you've got the UK employment data, and then from the US, you've got the likes of the CPI, the Philly and Empire manufacturing. You've also got the likes of the US retail sales, and a host of other data points as well. So between the central banks, the UK budget, and all this data, it is set to be a pretty busy week. So I wish you the best of luck trading.